Hi, I'm Jim Gordon, and you're watching Market 1 Minute. Joining us is Arturo Préstamo. He is the Executive Chairman and CEO of Santacruz Silver Mining. Arturo, welcome.
Thank you, Jim. Thanks for having me here.
It's a great pleasure to have you, sir. Okay, let's talk about Santacruz Silver and your new assets. That would be Bolivia and Mexico.
This is literally a new story. With these new assets, we have really taken the company to another level. We're now a 19 million ounces of silver equivalent producer in two jurisdictions where we feel very comfortable, Mexico and Bolivia. So we're very happy so far with this acquisition and looking forward to keep growing.
And Arturo, what do these acquisitions mean for the financial position for Santacruz?
That's a good question, Jim. Actually, this acquisition comes to reinforce our balance sheet and our P&L by taking advantage of synergies that we have both in Mexico and in Bolivia. So this acquisition is very accretive to our investors and also puts the company in a very strong position going forward.
And you recently reported strong financial results. Can you share how these results create value for the shareholders?
Well, as we keep going along, we'll be maximizing our profitability as a company. We expect to make our balance sheet stronger quarter over quarter and definitely start bringing down our all-in sustained cash cost across all of our mines. So we are aiming to have better margins across all of our assets, and that as a consequence will bring stronger cash flows into the company.
And Arturo, with silver prices trending strongly, what does this mean for the company's operation and performance?
Well, as we speak, Jim, we're generating a very strong cash flow on a weekly basis. We're building our treasury. We want to have an end of the year with a very strong treasury, even after paying Lencor. So this definitely is putting the company in a position where we will have the ability to grow our organic projects and maybe look beyond our portfolio by the end of the year, and maybe some other alternative ideas to keep creating value to our shareholders.
And finally, Arturo, what can investors expect from Santacruz for the remainder of 2025 and beyond?
Yes, Jim. 2024 was a transformative year for us, and 2025 is going to be confirming that we will keep growing the company in a disciplined way. We'll keep building our treasury, and we'll keep taking advantage of those financial instruments like we did in Bolivia with this promissory note program. We're going to issue now in June another portion of this program, which is always accretive to our investors and a good way to use in a more efficient manner our treasury. So they can expect the company to become stronger quarter by quarter in terms of its balance sheet, in creating a more robust cash flow generator as quarters go by. So we can expect a good 2025 and one where we end up the year in a very strong way, financially speaking.
We've been talking with Arturo Préstamo. He is the Executive Chairman and CEO of Santacruz Silver Mining. Arturo, it has been a pleasure. Thank you.
My pleasure, Jim. Thanks for having me here.
Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. Thanks for watching this Market 1 Minute on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with other videos that we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click on this list to see other great videos from Market 1. And thank you again for watching.